Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So today I got another firework demo for you. This one's called Anger Management. It's a 16 shot firework for 28 seconds. I picked this up for 34 bucks, and yeah, it should be pretty decent. I'll show you inside. One thing that bugs me on this cake is that it's a 16 shot cake, and we've got what, 24 tubes here. So all of these are empty. They could have made this a lot smaller to save for the shipping costs and stuff, but you know, it must have been downsized for cost for later. But I hope it's still good, and yeah, let's go test the thing out and see how it works. Yeah, that one was nice. Thanks for watching, guys.